Welcome to Shree Engineering. Today we are at 84th annual session of IRC. Representing our company on this international platform is not just about business. It's about building relationships, sharing knowledge and taking confident steps towards a stronger global presence. Our presence at such events highlights a commitment to growth, innovation and quality. Participating in an international trade fair is more than just an event. It's an opportunity to introduce our company to the world. As we set up our booth among the global brands and innovators, we take pride in showcasing our unique products, services, and value that define who we are. These fairs bring together businesses, buyers, and industry experts from across continents, giving us the perfect platform to network, exchange ideas, and explore new markets. Every interaction and connection made at the trade fair strengthens our vision of expanding globally while staying true to our roots. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for regular updates. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.